Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another exciting video on Hackviser lab series. We are Cybersensei. We are very happy to bring you an exciting episode on web application security. Today we're going to cover under broken authentication. This is one major thing that every cybersecurity expert should learn about: web application security and broken authentication. We'll work on this lab: execution after redirection. Remember, we covered dictionary attack on our previous video. You can check it out in this playlist. And now today we're going to cover execution after redirection. But first, I've not connected to the OVPN. Let me connect first. I'm going to maximize here so that people can see what I've done. So you just download your VPN file, come to its the directory it is located in. You use the command sudo open vpn myconnection.ovpn, and initialization sequence completed. This makes you know you are in. So you can see it's connected. So we're going to start this lab. Today we're going to be learning an exciting tool. We have covered it in our previous videos, but for those who are here for the first time, maybe you need to understand an exciting tool. Let's see it first. Let's give it a minute so that it boots up. Amazing, so it's up. Open it, and then first let's read the description. This lab contains an execution after redirection vulnerability. To complete the lab, interrupt the web page loading before it redirects and read its contents. What is the phone number of the user whose account was accessed without authorization? So you need to understand, we have this page. But you need to understand there are series of pages, other pages that this our normal browser redirects to. So once you understand about redirection, there's a very important tool you need to understand. It's called burpsuite. But before we get into burpsuite, let's just share a random set of credentials. You can see wrong username or password. So first of all, let's fire burpsuite up. Give it a second. And just so you know, this is just the community version, so no need of getting premium versions or anything, the paid versions. This is just the community version. It came pre-installed with Linux. So since once you have it, remember it's still also available on Windows. You should have no worries of using burpsuite. It's a very exciting tool. Give it a second. Amazing. So I'll head directly to my proxy tab and open a browser. The main reason I use this, it's because I've not channeled any of my local of my normal browser through a proxy. I've not installed remember there are two ways of getting a proxy and using burpsuite with it. You can install the burpsuite proxy within your browser, and once it's on, it's under the extension. Once it's on, you use it. And also, I like doing this so that it doesn't interrupt with my normal traffic. I like doing it with the inbuilt Chromium, the Chrome for burpsuite. It's called Chromium. So you can see it opens up a normal Chrome, just like a normal Chrome web browser. So I'll turn intercept on for this. Then remember the URL we were given. I'm going to try access it through the Chromium. Once I do that, you can see I get the requests. Just for precaution, I'll send it to repeater, then I'll forward it again. Let's see what happens. There's also this login page. I'll also send it to repeater. Let me forward. You can see, so you can know our page went through like 2 pages before it got to this. So I'll go to repeater, and I had the first request send here. I'm going to send it. Notice there'll be a redirection. You understand this? There's a redirection. So there's the root page. I'll call it the index page. There was the first one before you now get to this, the login page. So I'll just to make sure you understand this, I'm going to open here. So we have the first requests. The first request, the URL, the normal URL first. It first went through the root index page, then it redirected to the login. Is it login.php? Yes, login.php. So this is what we call redirection, and you must understand redirection, since you also notice it whenever you're doing a enumeration or go buster, doing directory scanning or such kind of things, because you'll get to understand there'll be a subdirectory that redirects to something else. I hope that gets you get that. So in our burpsuite, you'll notice this was the page before redirection, because you can even notice this follow redirection. So I believe this is what will give you this once you follow the redirection. So we were told to get what? To complete the lab, interrupt the web page, add loading before it redirects, and read its contents. So you must read the contents of here. I'll go check here. You can see we already have some contents here. Admin bizspinash.hv. So we're told to get what are we told to get? What is the phone number of the user whose account? Yeah, amazing. So just need to get the phone number here, and you can notice here there's this phone number label. So placeholder phone number, the value is 705. So this is the mobile number. So that's the mobile number. Once you paste it here, I can't paste it, but once you paste it here, you can notice it will work, because we already have now the phone number. Remember, we didn't have it even when we got to our login page, but there was a page that was redirecting here, and it had the credentials, or it had the information, the user information, because you can see the username, admin at bizspinash.hv. We have the name tags, we have the surname tags, spinash, and the phone number. This phone number you have now. I believe now you have understood what redirection is in web applications, and it's still a security feature, because remember this is we are getting information that we're not authorized to get, because if maybe there were passwords stored here in this web page, even if it was commented, it will be a security hazard. Also, it makes more information out. It brings out more information about the web page, and it's not supposed to get. We are not supposed to get. Others, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.